they started from a MF1. Almost say and so Tahasa. As on so ye that be a sit down. Yeah, move ya, Jababi to Hanum. Say even for ye gun of 4. And I say so Taha. Sikamu Westy.
Welcome to the Political Run with me, the voice right on Ghana 7 TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
I'm there for machine. Now we're moving for dino. Come on, the get a squat of bois be a area the crank of bois. Now we'll go for bread. Now we see a gun of 4. Now yeah, bread. Yeah, struggle to sit down. Yeah, baby, I say, as Antimbemu, Otumfuo. Say, oh, people die quick one on crampona or no bitty because I say, yeah, what dying guema, you party I say. Asante mem ya nyesa aso ne ya hye ne pe anim ne ya ba be budan na ye posen so ta ha de na mo ye asem obua ganafo sika mo de mo je mo de machines mo de be ya sa de wanyina demolition nyina ana mo de ye gates ana mo de bua ya anka ye
wa accuse obi say wa gigi usika di
ya fra na akwa oba no aka cho say ba bia ye wo no e wo ye obeka cho say aha ye mani sika waje ye 20,000 or me 5,000 or me 10,000 or me 20,000 or sia me mf ne de ma no ne nyina no wasa akose ba bi wasa ba no ba bi bu no
mani akwa
or ye forestry man
o ha no mu
o wa heavy video wa mo fan channel wa kote on na ko no wa mo fan ko to ne so o mo ye bribe
o kan
mo did ya change the bribe ade o mo ye wa nyina o mo pe bibi ntia e ye bibi ntia
na o keka wani a sika be sen na o de ama akwa no
over 40,000 akodi no honum over 40,000 akodi akwa no oba ha be tro say demolition oba da kacha ye say aha ye kama aha bibia ye fine enti ai ye ntieska say na bibia be kama ye sit down ana na ya bebu dan no
se o kira akwa no
anya flood area bia because south flood na started free MF estate enya nne ye sit down stand because in Sunday man who sit down we ya feeling na e come back stand down it here na
o dan
some mo drink Ghana from me down here bu no some mo drink Ghana from na some aba na se bibi say wo ha dia na mo ye aboa ye dia na mo ye aboa ye o mo ya kromfo akoye kromfo
mommy it's okay.
Right, please, before I come in, there's an allegation there. You took a coverage, so I want clarity from the forestry guy before I proceed. So, forestry, please, can you clarify the allegations leveled against you?
What I would say is that, per my operational work that I do, I come here with task force because when normally I come alone, I'm always faced with a lot of confrontations on the ground. So I would usually call on my task force, the Forestry Commission Rapid Response Team, and I move with them. Sometime within October, I was here with my task force. We didn't have any machine to even demolish some of the structures that are in the waterway. So we manually pushed some walls down belonging to this same woman who is making the allegations. He came there, rained insults on me, and even series of curses and all that. I didn't mind her. At the time when we were pulling the things down manually, she told us that if we will still continue and break these things down, we should wait and we'll see. So when we were moving out of the site, then she came in with a Ram pickup, chasing the task force. We were then using a Nissan patrol van, and she was chasing us, and we were recklessly chasing us, and we suspected that she was carrying arms and all that, and the car was tinted, so we had to quickly leave the site. It was when we reached the MF estates, exiting the area, before she stopped chasing us, and we had to exit. And since that time, we have never been to the site, even though it falls within the waterway.
She's accused you.
So far, she's paid about 40,000.
Please, I know nothing about that.
She's not the only person who has accused you. There's been several people who have come here to accuse you of taking monies from them and assuring them that they can go ahead and build. Not one, not two, several of them.
Who am I to assure them to build? And on what grounds will I collect money from somebody when I know what you are doing is wrong?
So you've not taken a single penny from
I haven't taken any money from anybody. I haven't taken any dime from anybody.
You embolden them to build here.
I cannot embolden anybody to build here when I know it is wrong. And I have warned you severally, don't go there. And you are going there. How will I embolden you? There's no need emboldening you when I know the thing is wrong.
Why would different individuals, it's not like they're in a group, different individuals, come point accusing fingers on just you for taking money from them?
I am the site manager.
They've not accused anybody else.
Look at targeting the head. Because we say in our local parlance that if anything, if fish will spoil, it will start from the head. So they would actually, what not the chiefs who are selling the lands to them? Why don't they go to them and attack them? I am a public servant. Why would they attack me? Because they know that per the information I have on the grounds, I'm the only person, if they target me, they will be able to have their way. And that is
do you know all the people who have tagged you as taking monies from them, all the people that have come here? Do you know any of them?
I would know these people because I keep warning them that where you are building is wrong. So definitely I will know them by faces. But it is not about taking anything from them. No.
You say that you've not taken anything from them, but have they voluntarily decided that, okay, take this, take that?
No, please.
Not a dime.
I would not even venture doing that.
Honorable Minister, we've heard both sides. What is your decision going forward?
My dear, I'm going to investigate this matter because I have interest in this. Like you said, we've been here severally. This is not the first time. And we heard series of allegations against him personally. Are you getting me? And so we have to investigate this matter and get to the root of this. And so that one I can assure you, because why have we gotten here? That is the question. Sometimes I don't blame them. My dear, people who are concerned to allow this to happen, they are the people we have to blame. Where are the engineers, the planners, what have you? Where are they? What are their duties at the assemblies, various assemblies? I mean, for you to sit and allow this to this level. And so, in fact, I was touched by the gentleman who knelt, crying that we should allow his building, we shouldn't, go close to his building. But my dear, because look at these churches. It's a huge investment. And so, if we should allow such a building like they said, you said they should continue with whatever, and they've gotten to this. What are we telling ourselves? And so that is what I need to investigate.
Would you allow your officer to step aside while you do the investigation?
Oh, not to step aside. I don't have that mandate. But we will approach the authorities and see the way forward. But you notice I've spoken with him and he said he hasn't taken any money. My dear, it could be, I don't know whether it's the truth that he's saying. But you see, there's this idea that so sometimes I don't trust human beings. That one day I should be frank with you. Even my mother, I don't trust her. So I cannot trust human beings to the fullest. But we'll investigate the matter and see the truth in.
Your summary of today's exercise.
Today exercise has been successful. I'll say we've done a lot, and we are going to continue tomorrow and make sure that the entire, like I said, the entire stretch of the buildings should be done. So we'll continue the exercise tomorrow morning.
The demarcation we've seen so far indicates that you're not going to go beyond this point. Meanwhile, all those buildings there look like they're also in the waterway.
We'll be going beyond. I don't know whoever says so, but we'll be going beyond.
What were your plans met today?
Oh yes, I'll say so far so good, because the buildings that were targeted are all down. So yes.
So what happens to the buildings that are left? Are you going to zone them so that people do not come here, so that you're able to come here tomorrow?
We are going to look at the mapping so well. Like I said, it's not only this time. The other side too, we are going to investigate and see. Because when we asked, he said what? Human what? He used the word, human face. And so they allow the building to be that. That was what he said. So I don't know the type of human face that he's talking about. And so if you allow human face to live there at the other side of what about this side? So we are not going to leave any stone unturned. I'll make sure that provided the place is a Ramzar site, Ramzar site is Ramzar site, and no one is above the law. Law is law, so we are going to deal with it.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. MC, this is your jurisdiction. Are you also satisfied with today's exercise?
Well, largely it's been so far so good. All our targets have been met, and it's been met well. We would continue tomorrow unabated. Yeah.
Do you have anything to say about the accusation against the Forestry Commission?
Well, I have nothing more to add than it will be investigated. You know, allegations are allegations until facts are given to back the allegations. So we urge whoever has the facts to back the allegations that they are given to bring forth the facts. We'll peruse it, and then the necessary actions will be taken. He belongs to the Forestry Commission, and we don't have jurisdiction over him. So I can't say anything, any sanctions that will go against him.
Okay, thank you.